The typical construction of a bottom weight 14-ounce denim is from 55 to 64 warp ends per inch, and from 38 to 42 filling picks per inch. The number of warp ends per inch is sometimes referred to as the fabric sleigh. Of course, the size of the yarn used, the fabric weave design, and the fabric tightness will influence the weight. Also influencing the fabric weight will be the amount of sizing left on the finished fabric. Other denim fabrics and denim lookalikes may vary in construction from 52 to 70 warp ends per inch and from 36 to 52 picks per inch. As a rule, denim is woven as 3x1 twill, 2x1 twill, 2x2 twill, 3x1 broken twill, or 2x2 broken twill. The weights of the finished fabrics vary between 3.5 and 16.5 ounces per square yard. The fabrics weighing 3.5 to 8 ounces per square yard are typically used to manufacture blouses, tops, and shirts. Trousers, jeans, and jackets tend to use heavier weight denim fabrics ranging between 8 and 16.5 ounces per square yard. Numerical notations for different denim designs, such as 3x1 twill, denote what each warp yarn is doing relative to the filling yarns interlacing with it. In this example, look at the end marked number 1. This warp yarn is going over picks 1, 2, and 3, and then under pick number 4. We see that with the end marked number 2, the same sequence is being repeated, but advanced up 1 pick. This means that the warp yarn is under pick number 1 and goes over picks 2, 3, and 4. This upward advancing sequence continues, thus giving the characteristic twill line. In this case, the twill line would be rising from the lower left to upper right, and the fabric would be classified as a 3x1 right-hand twill weave. If the twill line is made to rise to the left, then the design is a left-hand twill. Broken twills are created by breaking up the twill line at different intervals, thus keeping it from being in a straight line. Here we see yarns 1 and 2 weaving a 3x1 twill, but yarn 3 does not weave in a twill order, and this breaks the twill line of the fabric.